Morning, you guys.
Good morning.
So yesterday we have posted one video. There's a good response from everyone. Everyone liked the video. One person has commented saying that every day we have to put such videos. So today we are going to see into the BCCI statement. They have told that the viewership is going to be threefold for this IPL. Is this IPL going to be exciting as any other year, or is the excitement level going to be a little bit less? What do you guys think?
Well, what I think, the excitement level will be less
Okay.
because BCCI, or though BCCI is organizing this IPL, but the very limited sources. The excitement, the people are not participating in that level what they used to do it.
Correct.
Okay, so what I strongly believe that though it is happening in UAE, and UAE is widely open, they are welcoming the guests, but still there is certain restriction which BCCI has to follow it.
Correct.
So yeah, it is gonna be good, but not best.
Correct. So in terms of the after parties, in terms of the after the match news and all the dramas, I think that will be less this year
Of course.
because of the bio bubble. So what do you think about that?
We have to be excited means, first of all, the players should excited. They know how to play. Apart from playing, they will run immediately. They will excited about the wicket. And on six, if Dhoni is hitting, immediately everybody will cheer up. And there is a discussion going on how to bowl the next ball. All those things. Those kind of excitement, if player has, then only we will have.
Correct. So you are talking about the restriction which the BCCI has put in
Yeah.
terms of non-celebration or giving the high fives
Yes,
after
correct,
this.
correct.
Okay. Yeah, definitely that will be a weird situation where when there is a wicket has fallen, everyone is just cheering from their positions rather than running and coming and.
And one more thing, apart from this, the spectator will not be there in stadium. When the spectator will be there they get a positive energy. They shout, they motivate their teams. So I don't think so. This is gonna be happen in this IPL, and it is a really good impact on player also. Like when a spectator is there, when somebody is motivating you, hey, yes, Virat Kohli hit 6, hit 4. So that is a different impact. It is all a different impact on a player. So I think we're gonna miss this thing.
Correct.
I hope Virat Kohli will do keeping or something. Then he will do. He will not go and start in the sixth lane.
Yeah,
Show
yeah.
his arms at this time.
Near
I
the
think
crowd,
so.
near the crowd.
Yeah.
So another aspect is there are two things we can view this. One thing is as a youngster, that is the uncapped players.
Yeah.
IPL is all about giving opportunity to the talented people, where talent meets opportunity.
True.
That is their theme.
True.
Yeah.
So the main agenda is to boost the young players' opportunity in the international level. As a young player, they are used to playing in empty stadiums in our domestic cricket.
Correct.
When they are coming to a stage like IPL, suddenly when they are seeing the crowd,
Yeah.
it definitely takes a hit on their performance.
Yeah,
Correct.
definitely.
Meanwhile, international players like Dhoni and Virat Kohli, they feed off their crowd's energy, like you rightly said.
Correct.
So when there is a 6 or a 4, they back it up with another 6 or a 4
Correct.
Yes.
because the crowd is behind them.
Yeah.
For them, maybe after 10 years or 15 years, since their young Ranji or Dilip Trophy period, they are again going back to empty stadiums. So, do you think this is like an opportunity for youngsters to play in international stadium where they are comfortable playing?
See, as per spectators, UAE is not coming into the conclusion whether they are allowing or not, or 50% or 30%. But at the same time, if they are allowing spectators, viewers, they also have certain limitations. They should sit. They should maintain the social distancing. All those restrictions. They also should have the mask and all those things. Even spectators comes also, they will not be that much effective.
Especially in this year, because I was talking to one of my friend. He was saying if they announce also, it will be 30% of the maximum capacity.
Okay.
It's a bit hard for the spectators, and as you said, rightly mentioned, young players, they are coming to the, that too, they are coming to a different country and playing into the big arena, and they want to show their popularity of what they have done. But this is a bit difficult compared to,
Correct.
like 100% crowd they used to play.
Correct. So
This
only
is my
time will
opinion.
tell how
Yeah.
this IPL is going to turn out,
Yes.
and everyone is eagerly waiting for
Yeah.
BCCI schedule.
Yes.
BCCI has announced that in the upcoming days, most probably this week, the schedule will be out, because the first major thing is Abu Dhabi has done a relaxation for their COVID restrictions.
Yes.
So that is a big plus in today's news, which has come out for Mumbai Indians and teams which are based out of Abu Dhabi. So hopefully the first match is as per schedule, and the schedule is released by 1 or 2 days. So we will meet you guys in the next video, hopefully before the IPL starts, and then after the IPL we will discuss further. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you.